Hey everybody, this is Toby with Global Integrity Finance. I wanted to reach out to you today because we're getting a lot of calls from individuals who have money in an IRA, 401k. Maybe they got laid off from their job through the COVID-19 situation. And a lot of people are asking, what can we do with that money? What is the real estate market like, and how have things changed? So I wanted to reach out real quick and shoot this video to kind of get it out there into the market, kind of explaining that right now is an amazing time to take any money that you have in an IRA, a 401k, any kind of retirement plan, and get it into real estate. And here's why. If any of you were around in 2008 when the market crashed, and people had money in the market, in the stock market and all that, there were millions of dollars lost. But one of the things that came through fast was the real estate appreciation of value. Well, this COVID-19 thing has hit us pretty hard. It put kind of the brakes on society, on the economy. But prior to this, the real estate market was astronomical. In fact, it was so good that institutional funds were in the market giving and issuing loans to non-QM, meaning non-qualified borrowers. They didn't have to provide pay stubs, W-2s, or tax returns, but to be able to buy investment loans, non-qualifying, asset-based, at interest rates as low as 5%. And that is 100% institutional money. What has happened since COVID-19, since early March here in Texas and nationwide, institutional funds have pulled out. They said, we're not doing that anymore. We have a high risk of default. We have unemployment going through the roof, people without jobs. Our investors may not be able to collect rental income. So we're going to pull out, which is an awesome opportunity for you. Because prior to COVID, there's no way you could put money into a hard money lending firm like Global Integrity Finance and make more than 9-10% annual return on it. We just couldn't do it because our loans that we were issuing to borrowers were in 7s, 6s, even as low as 5s. Since COVID-19 and the institutional money has pulled out, there's no money available. And borrowers are still willing to pay good rates for money because the properties are still lucrative. There's still a lot of profitability in them, and the fix and flip world is growing leaps and bounds right now. So there's a couple of things that's in your favor. Number one is that borrowers understand that this is a hard money loan, a private equity loan. They understand that. Yes, they were spoiled. Trust me, institutional funds, money coming from Wall Street, from large hedge fund companies, spoiled our borrowers in thinking that they could get a 5, 6, 7% rate. And we had to give it to them to be competitive. Since the institutional funds have pulled out, borrowers are still looking to do projects. They know that the liquidity of a property and the valuation of a property is still very lucrative, and they still want to do the fix and flips and rental portfolios, and they're willing to pay more money for that. Therefore, this allows you as an individual who has maybe $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, or $500,000, or whatever, setting in an IRA or into a 401k or into a retirement fund that's making little to no return, to now take that money, put it into a company like Global Integrity Finance, and make great returns. We're talking anywhere from 15 to 18% return on all investments moving forward. And the way we can do that is because we have a unique system that keeps your money very, very liquid, meaning it's not tied up into a real estate project for 12 months. It's tied up for about 12 to 15 days. We take that money, we take down a property, we fund the loan, and then we sell that note off to a note buyer, and then that money comes right back in place, and we turn that over and over and over and over, year after year. Last year in 2019, we took a little over $3 million in liquid cash and funded $42.7 million in real estate, of which we had 0 default. The way we do that is a unique system. If you're interested in taking your money out of an IRA, out of a 401k, out of a retirement plan that's just sitting there collecting more dust than interest, give us a call, 214-548-5190, or shoot me an email. My direct email is Toby, TOBY, at globalintegrityfinance.com. I look forward to hearing from you.